One thing that I carry with me every day that my mom has taught me is integrity, to always do the right thing even when no one's watching.
One lesson my mother has taught me is to be humble and respectful. Respect your elders mostly. Doesn't matter if you know the person or not, you have to carry yourself in a way that's respectful to everyone.
She'd definitely be proud that I'm at university, because growing up she didn't have the chance to experience this. So definitely should be the fact that I'm shooting now. She'd be super proud.
The man that I'm becoming, from where I was to where I am now, I think made big strides, and she'd be proud of that.
The way my mom has influenced the person that I'm becoming, my mom is a God-fearing woman. She's a prayerful woman, a prayerful mother, and I do believe that her prayers go a very long way, especially when we're not close together and I'm far and I'm alone.
Out of all the lessons my mom have gave me, watching her raise me and my siblings in that manner, it made me like, how can I put this? It made me strong as well.
Really love you, appreciate all you do, and thank you for everything. Love you.
I love and appreciate everything you do for me. Words can't explain and describe how much I actually love you. And I know it's the same for me. And I really appreciate having you as my mother. I wouldn't change it, wouldn't change you. So yeah.